0.625 divided by 0.01. So look, 0.01, this is a divisor or denominator. To divide this decimal number by this, what will you do? Look, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, these are called power of 10, but these are less than 1. But 10, 100, 1000, these are also called power of 10, but these are greater than 1. So to divide this number by 0.01, what will you do? Just count the number of places after decimal, 1 plus 2 plus. So decimal point will move 2 places from left to right. So you are getting 0.625. 62.5. These zero don't have any value, that is 62.5 is your answer. Dividing 0.01 means you are multiplying by 100 over 1.